So we're here with the Tornador Black. This is a really great cleaning tool for interiors. And with the black, you have the black Tornador. I call it kind of a trumpet of sorts. And what it does is it creates a cyclonic air, much like a tornado. It is called the Tornador for a reason. Their marketing stuff has a little tornado type thing on it. And it's a quality piece of equipment. You have a regulator here with maximum and minimum. You can shut it off completely. You can turn it on maximum. You have a cleaning solution container. We have Super Clean here, 4-to-1. Thank you, Super Clean. And you can turn it on, or you can dry things by turning it off on this green valve. Really, really handy, and for a completely neglected interior like this, which I give about a 2-3 on a rating of 10, interior and exterior, and we are doing the entire car, the engine bay, everything. So you're going to see this product a lot, and I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you. We'll turn the solution on. So I was trying not to breathe in those fumes because I didn't put my mask back on, but masks are recommended with Super Clean. Be sure you're wearing something. This is a great mask that you can find on Amazon. It's called Fight Tech, and I got this from Larry Kozilla from Ammo NYC. Great detailer. He showed this mask one time on one of his videos, and I've picked up a couple of them. Absolutely phenomenal, especially during times like now. I don't know when you're watching this video, but if it's in 2020, you know what I'm talking about as far as masks go. If it's after 2020, yeah, this year sucked. So we're going to go ahead and do out the rest of this car. What you want to do is shoot a nice tornado of air with the cleaner. Then you want to shut it off. You got no cleaning solution. We're still on max. And you can dry the carpet. You can somewhat dry the plastic. And just blow out some more rocks and sand. Yep, we're here in Florida and we got a lot of sand. You have got to have a compressor that can put out 6.5 CFM at 90 PSI. I've actually got it turned down to 80, which it's a 78 at a minimum on the PSI and 90 at a maximum. So very, very important. We're gonna keep on getting to work. I've got my new assistant, Amy, and if I get 100 likes on this video, the next one will be her in a bikini, and you wanna see that. So smash that like button, leave some comments, subscribe, hit the notification bell, bing! I thank you as always. We're going to get back to work. We're going to do more filming as we go.